We just sailed Carnival Miracle to Cozumel, and honestly, it was surprising. From jaw-dropping shows to frustrating flaws, here's the real good, bad, and ugly you won't hear from influencers.
Cruising to paradise, love in the air. With every sunset, Malik and Misha are there.
Welcome
to Love and Adventure.
Ship overview. First, context. Miracle's a 20-year-old Spirit-class ship. She's smaller than newer vessels holding 2,100 passengers. Expect vintage Carnival vibes. Dark decor, quirky art, and that infamous purple dining room. If you love intimate ships without 5,000 people, this works. If you want water slides and tech, look elsewhere. We are in room number 8197. Cabin, balcony 8197. Our balcony cabin was fine. Storage, great. Bed, comfy. But the bathroom felt like an airplane toilet. Super cramped. Balcony was rusted and tiny. Biggest shock? No USB ports. Bring adapters. For the price, decent, but don't expect luxury. Food, the highs and lows. Let's talk food. Guy's Burger Joint, legendary. We lined up twice for those fries. Main dining room, hit or miss. Some nights were fantastic. Others felt like hospital food.
Whenever you're on a Carnival ship, the melting cake is a must-try. I highly recommend it, and I don't even like chocolate. Lido Buffet, crowded chaos with average options. Pro tip, breakfast in the dining room beats the buffet rush.
Now remember, you clap when I clap. Hands up.
Entertainment. Here's where Miracle shines. Heart and Soul was Broadway level. We were blown away. Piano bar was dead, though. Bring a book for sea days. Trivia and poolside games felt tired. At night, alchemy bar cocktails saved the day.
So you could have switched it. What would you have done? You would have kept 15. Okay. What was inside case 19? So if you kept playing, you would have won $300. But you know what?
Comedy club, hilarious.
Just keep in mind that the comedians may vary depending upon your selling.
Okay. Ports, Cozumel.
And it's interesting. I was thinking, okay, one day maybe we'll come to this port, and I done talked us into this port. And we're like stuck behind a crowd of people trying to get it. Oh, and it's not even working. It's stairs. It's not an escalator. Look who we ran into. It's our good friend Miguel.
Cozumel was easy and gorgeous, but booking excursions through Carnival, overpriced. We saved 40% hiring our guide Moses locally through Viator. Pro tip, skip the ship's tequila tour. We had a much better tasting experience during our tour. Service and crowds. Service was Carnival standard.
Okay, we're stopping. Weird.
Room steward, sweet but overworked. Dining staff rushed. Biggest issue? Layout. Everyone funneled into tiny corridors. Felt crowded even at 70% capacity. And that broken escalator in port, a hot mess.
They are clearing out the Serenity area. There's nobody getting on the ship after us, so there's no need for all of these deck chairs to be out.
Would we sail again? Honestly, for the price, yes, but with caveats. If you're new to cruising, try a newer ship. If you want a inexpensive, no-frills getaway with epic shows, Miracle delivers. Just pack patience and extra outlets.
Right. There. I have a residence house there. And then this is the daggone day. Long day.
The final verdict. Our rating: B for value, C+ for food, A for entertainment. It's not perfect, but for under $100 per night, we'd sail her again. What do you want to know about Miracle? Drop questions below. I'll reply. If this helped, smash that like button. Subscribe for our next adventure. Until then, smooth sails and honest travels.